Ever heard the sound of a solar wind? It's not like the wind here on Earth. It's a constant stream of charged particles from the sun, and it sounds like, well, like nothing you've ever heard before. It's a low, eerie hum like a giant cosmic refrigerator. It's not exactly music to my ears, but it's a reminder that we're all connected to the sun, even here on our little blue planet. And that's pretty cool.